In this video, I'm going to show you how to start off with a perfectly straight line to get your first course of tiles. What you don't want to be doing is starting directly on the floor when you're tiling up the wall. One, you can't guarantee the floor is level, and two, you will need a spacer underneath that tile because you don't want to put grout in it. You need to put a flexible silicone sealant. Now, I've set a laser beam level up coming off my batten all the way around my room. If you haven't got a laser level, you can use a spirit level and draw a line around there. And then your first tile you're going to be laying is directly on top of this line. But how do we keep the tile in place? By screwing a batten to the wall. So I've cut this down to size, pushing it right up to the bottom of that tile and continuing that all the way around the room. All I'm going to do now is drill some clearance holes in there right the way through to the concrete board, put a plug in there and then drive a screw in. Now you've got the guide hole in place, change your drill bit to a 6mm masonry bit. Drill some deeper holes into the concrete board and the surface behind. Apply your 6mm red plugs. Place your screws through the clearance holes of your timber, offer it up to the wall, line them up, start them off with your fingers and then drive them in using a cordless screwdriver. This should give you a perfectly solid level batten to start working from. Double check it's level with your spirit level. Next, you can mix your tile adhesive. Once you've got a firm consistency, spread it across the wall using a standard trowel. It can then be combed through using a notched edge trowel. This is going to help you bed your tiles more flush and evenly to the wall. Leave a gap for your tile spacers to be wedged in. Once they're dry, they can be removed. Then you can remove the batten and tile the rest of the wall using the same method. And the gaps between the tiles can be grouted. Spread your grout in, going from side to side, scrape off the excessive adhesive, leave it for 15 minutes, then polish it in circular motions with a damp sponge. So that's the benefits of fitting a batten to start off the first level course of tiles. If you're looking for more how-to videos, check us out on all social media handles. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.